In a world where legends are carved not by time, but by the roar of steel and the soul of engineering, V8X proudly welcomes you to another cinematic journey, a tribute to American power, American passion, and the timeless machines that shaped the roads we love. Today, under the open sky of a modern U.S. luxury showroom, bathed in natural light and wrapped in the glow of the American flag, we bring you the unforgettable presence of the 1969 Toyota Pony in blazing red, a car whose spirit still rumbles through generations. As the camera glides into a front-right hero angle, the Pony stands bold and confident, its sculpted front fascia gleaming with HDR reflections across its chrome, the sunlight catching every line like a spotlight on history itself. Shifting seamlessly into a side profile sweep, the long, elegant silhouette reveals proportions ahead of its time, clean, straight, purposeful, showing the kind of craftsmanship that helped define late 60s automotive identity. Moving into the rear view, we feel the nostalgia deepen as the classic taillights glow, chrome bumpers shine, and the unmistakable Toyota Pony emblem reminds us that legends come in all sizes, but not all earn a place in the heart of America. The lens then slips gently inside, revealing a classic interior cabin, a world of analog beauty, polished metal, stitched textures, a steering wheel that feels alive in your hands, and gauges that dance with the warm heartbeat of the engine. From above, a top drone shot captures the red roof glowing under the sun, the American flag waving proudly below, the car framed like a centerpiece in a museum of living history. And then, the world awakens as the Pony surges forward into motion, the engine breathing with vintage vigor during a rolling highway shot, tires gripping the asphalt, chrome flashing under the golden hour sky, proving that even after decades, its presence remains strong, spirited, and unmistakably iconic. As night falls, we enter the night. Showroom scene, neon reflections shimmering across the red bodywork, headlights piercing the darkness, the car standing victorious like a monument to a golden era. Under today's market conditions, a beautifully preserved 1969 Toyota Pony in the United States can range widely, but exceptional examples often begin around the mid-$25,000 mark, depending on rarity, condition, and originality. Yet for collectors, value is measured less in dollars and more in legacy. And here on V8X, we celebrate that legacy. If this cinematic journey ignited something in you, nostalgia, passion, or simply a love for timeless machines, then join the family. Hit like, subscribe, and follow V8X, where the road never ends, the engines never fall silent, and every drive tells a story worth remembering.